In this video, we are going to answer the question, how do I add and subtract 4-digit numbers? In previous videos, we saw how to add and subtract 5-digit numbers, and you can use that method here as well. But in this video, we are going to give a different method that is going to enhance our understanding of how to add and subtract and give us another way to do it. So we're going to start out by seeing our addition problem visually. So we have our first number of 2,341, and we are going to add 1,311. This is our number sentence. So we want to, in this method, take our initial number and add each place value as we go along. So we're going to start out with the one on the left, which is the thousandth place. So we are going to add 1 cube, 1,000 cube, here visually to represent that place value. And here is our number sentence to represent that. And then our answer of 3,341. Then we're going to take this answer that we get here and add our next place value. So we're going to add 300 plates right there. And we have our number sentence here, which gives us the answer of 3,641. Then we're going to take this answer and we're going to add the next place value, which is the 10 place value here. We're going to add 1 10 stick right here. And then here's our number sentence down here, which gives us the answer of 3,651. And we're going to add our last place value of the units place value here. We're just adding 1 cube. Here it's represented, and then we get our final answer of 3,652. And then you can see that represented right here visually. Now we are going to calculate this number sentence, and I want you to pause the video, grab a piece of paper, and do what we just showed, use the method that we just showed, and solve this number sentence. And then we're going to check your answers. So go ahead, pause the video. Here are your answers. So you have the first place value, you're adding 4,000, which gives you 7,934. Then we're going to add the next place value to this number that we already have. I bet you guys are doing great so far as checking your answers. And then you have the next answer of 8,234, and you're adding the next place value, the tens place, 30. You're getting this answer, and then you're adding the last place value of the unit place value, which gives you your final answer of 8,266. So there is your answer that you should have. Now we're going to move on to subtraction, and we're going to do this visually as we have 4,182. And we're going to do the same idea, just subtracting. So we start with our number, and then we're going to subtract the first place value. So how many of these 1,000 blocks would we take away? 3, it says it right there. So we're going to take away those 3, and we're going to show that with our number sentence here, which gives us the answer of 1,182. We do the next place value, but since we have a 0 here, we're not taking away any hundreds, so we're fine. We can just skip over that. See, if we take away 0, we still have what we have. So then we're going to move on to the next place value of the tens, and we're going to take away 4 in the tens column, so that would be taking away 4 10 sticks, which would be taking away 40, as we see represented here from this number that we have, which gives us a new number of 1,142. Then we have to take away our last place value of the 1, so we're just crossing out one of these guys over here, which gives us our final number sentence and the final answer of 1,141. And you guys are going to try this again on your own, so get your piece of paper again, and we're going to check the answers after you complete this. So pause the video. Here are your answers. We have the first, so we take our number, we subtract the first place value all the way to the left. And then we have 1,496. You should have then subtracted 300 from your answer here, which gives you this number. Then the next one, we're subtracting 20, which gives us this answer. And then the final one right here, subtracting 1, which will give you 1,175. That's your final answer. I hope you got it. I think you did. If you have any questions, go back to how I explained it. Rewind the video and you can see where you might have made a mistake. So we're going to end the video with another method that will help us in adding numbers here. So the first thing that we need to do when approaching an addition problem with this method is we're going to think to yourself, what would I need to add to 89 to get 100 so that I can make the overall number easier to deal with? So another way to say this is I want this number to be 1,800. So then it can be easier because I'll have zeros, I'll be able to add better. So that's what I'm trying to think. So how much would I need in order to make this 1,800? 11! Hopefully you have that. So then here's our number sentence right here, which gives us this. But we can't just add 11 without, just like out of nowhere. So then what we need to do is take 11 from this second number. So then we have our second number sentence here of 182 minus 11, which gives us 171. So that's what you're doing. You're making it easier to deal with, so then I can just add. But see, like, you're not just adding a random 11, you're adding and subtracting, so it makes it equivalent. And then you're just going to take these two numbers and add them together and see how much easier it is, because we can just do the 1,000, you add 100 here, so it's 1,900, and then just 71. So that is another way in adding numbers with 4 digits. So this video explained how to add and subtract 4-digit numbers. Thank you for watching.